In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Truist banking password. If you've forgotten your password or simply need to change it for security reasons, don't worry. I'll guide you through each step of the process to ensure you can easily regain access to your account. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Truist Bank and press enter. Usually the first search result will take you directly to the official Truist website. Click on that link to proceed. Once you're on the Truist homepage, look for the option that says Reset Password and click on it. The label may vary slightly, but it usually stands out, making it easy to find. This action will take you to a dedicated page where you can start the password reset process. Now, you will be prompted to choose the type of account you want to reset the password for. It could be a personal or business account, for example. Please select the appropriate option that corresponds with the account you want to access. Trust me, this is crucial as selecting the wrong type might delay the process. After selecting your account type, you will see a Continue button. Click on it to advance to the next stage. It's super important to ensure you're on a secure network before proceeding any further, as protecting your personal information should be a top priority. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address. This should be the email you used when opening your account or the one you updated to in your account settings. Enter it carefully to avoid any typos, as the next steps involve verifying your identity through this email. Following that, you'll need to enter the last 5 digits of your SSN, EIN, or ITIN, depending on the information associated with your account. This step is vital for confirming your identity, so make sure you input the correct numbers. You're also required to enter your user ID. This ID is unique to your account, and if you've forgotten it, you might find it in previous bank communications or statements. Type it in and remember, accuracy is key here. Press the Continue button once more, and you'll be led to a new page where you'll be asked to create and enter a new password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance your account security. Make sure it's something memorable but hard for others to guess. Follow through with the on-screen instructions to finalize your new password setup and you're done. You've successfully reset your Truist password. Remember to log out and log back in using your new password to ensure it's working correctly. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with anyone else who might need guidance. Thanks for watching and take care.